I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Wash the area with warm water to relax hair and open pores, then pat slightly damp. Apply a nickel to quarter-size amount of edge shaving gel. Spread it with your fingertips into a thin, even layer following the hairline. This creates slip and visual contrast. Once done, make sure the gel covers the exact edge you intend to shape and avoid excess beyond the boundary. This step reduces tugging, protects skin, and prepares a clear guide for trimming and razor work. You now focus on shaping. Comb hair into place and hold the skin taut with your free hand to create a flat surface. Use a fine trimmer or a precision razor at roughly a 30 degrees angle and take short, controlled strokes. This minimizes nicks and keeps lines crisp. Once done with one pass, check symmetry and reapply a half amount of gel where coverage thinned, then refine lines slowly. This careful approach produces sharp edges and prevents overcutting by letting you evaluate progress incrementally. You finish by rinsing the gel thoroughly with cool water, which helps close pores, then pat the area dry, do not rub. Apply an alcohol-free aftercare balm or light moisturizer to soothe skin and reduce inflammation. This preserves the crisp edge and prevents flaking. If you notice redness or burning, stop immediately, apply a cold compress for 10 minutes, and avoid further shaving until healed. If razor bumps appear, consider switching to a different blade or gel formulation next time to reduce irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.